You're gonna go outside today?
Yeah.
Have you seen it out there? It is raining cats and dogs today. There's puddles everywhere. Oh, oh kids, we got lots of puddles. Okay, so first you're gonna need to get your rain boots on. There's your Mickey rain boots. Now what do you need? It's a little cold. Your rain jacket. Yeah. Yep. Let's get your goggles on to protect you from the rain. The rain jacket. Oh, you have Thomas. You have a Thomas rain jacket. Let's put it on. You want to make sure you don't get wet at all. Okay, you have your jacket on. Oh, look how handsome. You got your jacket on, you got your boots. What's missing now?
My umbrella.
Oh, here's your umbrella.
Now go.
Let's open the umbrella outside. Oh, a Mickey umbrella. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this weather. Oh, kids, we got lots of puddles. Look at all that rain coming down. Are you ready, James? Are you really gonna test it out there for the kids? Okay, kids. There goes James in the rain. He's gonna test out his umbrella. Oh, there he goes, kids. He's really doing it. He's really going into a puddle. Oh, he's in the rain, kids. He's really in the rain. Is that fun? You coming back in? Okay, come on. Quick, get back in, James. Oh, it's so cold out. Oh, it's cold and rainy out. Wow. Oh, he's gonna bring the blue dump truck out there, kids. Oh, the dump truck matches your coat. Oh, it's the same color. Blue dump truck and a blue Thomas coat. Oh, okay, come on.
Oh no.
Oh, look. The dump truck's outside. Oh, the dump truck. Are you getting rained on, dump truck? Yes, I am. Oh, let's see how long it takes for him to fill up with water.
Okay.
So should we leave him out here?
Yeah.
Should we leave the dump truck out here and check on him in a couple of minutes?
Okay.
And see if he fills up with water, just like the puddles. Okay, we'll be back to check on you, dump truck. We're gonna see if you fill up with water, okay? Okay, let's go back inside while we leave the dump truck outside, okay? This is a perfect spot for him. Okay, let's leave it. Let's go inside. We'll check on you soon, dump truck. Come on, come on. Bye-bye, we'll check on you soon. Look at all the rain that our truck collected. Wow, it almost filled to the top. It's about halfway done. Should we dump it?
Yeah.
Okay, dump it.
Let's go.
Good job! Wow, that was fun filling that up. Wow.